Welcome you on our channel Ultimate UPSC CMS. So here again we come with a new video. In this video is a continuation of the part 1 of the interview preparation. In part 1 what I told is that what all you have to do before enter the interview room. And in this part 3rd of the interview preparation I am going to tell you my experiences and what all I faced during my interview and what all questions they asked from me. And in part 2 Dr. Nishant explained very well. He told you his experiences, what all questions asked from him and what all you have to take care of while going for the interview. So thank you to Dr. Nishant. So when I entered the room, I've seen 4 people sitting there. 3 are the professors of our own medical science and 1 is the IS officer. So I visited them and they asked me to sit. So I sat there and an IS officer start asking me questions. He firstly asked me to introduce myself and then he start asking different questions which related to my hobbies and all, and what I filled during my filled in detailed application form. So take care of the things which you have filled in detailed application form. And then he asked me one question which I wanted to share personally, basically with you. That he asked me, are you preparing for the NEET PG? So I told, yes sir, I am preparing. So he asked me, if you all become specialists, then you will not go to the PhD level. Then who all gonna take care of the PSCs in this country? So I told him that government has to change the policies. So he told me, I'll make you health minister for one day. So what all changes you gonna make in this country? So this question is very good. You can take care of and think what all you gonna change in this. Then he asked other professors to ask questions from me. Firstly, the gynec professor started asking me. She started with the questions that what all I have seen during my what all questions and procedures I did during my internship. So I told everything. Then she started asking questions from that cases which I have seen and the procedures which I have done. So then I told everything what I have done. Gynec professor, then surgery professor started asking me the questions. He mainly asked me what all procedures I have done and he mainly asked about the emergency surgeries, emergency part of the surgery and what all things and cases I have seen during the same. So in case of gynecology and surgery, the questions are the same, like what all I have seen during my internship. One question the surgery professor asked, which I gonna share with you. He asked me like you are posted in casualty and suddenly one patient came to you and the person is very serious and he gonna die in just 10 to 15 minutes. So how you gonna manage the patient and how you gonna manage the relatives and make them understand the situation of the patient. Medicine professor started asking questions to me. He basically asked about the MI, cardiac arrest, diabetes mellitus, and all related to the emergency medicine. So overall, if you see all the 3 professors, what they asked me, they mainly asked me about the internship cases and procedures which I had done during internship, and basically the emergency things which are now I gonna tell all the things which I told previous in this video, which you have to take care of while going for the interview. Firstly, you have to read the topics like the programs of the PSM, all the emergency part of the medicine and surgery also related to trauma in case of surgery, and all the cases and procedures which you have done during internship in case of gynec, medicine, surgery or orthopedics. So they're gonna ask a question related to this, and you have to read all the basic programs in the PSM, and the IS officer gonna ask questions from it, and as IS officer also gonna ask questions from a detailed application form. So after my interview, when I came out and I asked other people what they have been asked, they had been asked from the professors. So I got 2 difference. What is that in case of one person, the FM professor and PSM professor was there. The FM professor asked all the autopsy part and the IPC sections to have to read all these things, and the PSM professor mainly asked about the programs only. So you have to take care of all these things. So hope you wanna rock the interview. Be confident and all the best.